Meat pressure cooked meal.
Fantastic. Okay, so what do we got here, guys?
So we got a 50 to 100 ml or 75 ml of flour. And now I'm going to give it a good sprinkle of salt.
Oh, that goes in the flour.
Same with pepper.
Okay, about 6 turns of the salt.
And I see you've already prepared the meat and the vegetables in cubes. Roughly what size would you say?
Oh,
Good.
2 to 3 centimeters. Another one over there. And then a good sprinkle of curry just to...
And is the selection of vegetables very important, Jenny, as far as what you actually throw
put
in?
anything in there, but I've done potato, I normally do pumpkin, beans, Brussels sprouts, celery, carrot, onion. Get this and we go, put your meat in a bowl and we're going to coat the meat in that flour.
All of it?
Yep. So now just sprinkle this over the top and then use this to sort of coat it, get it on all the sides. Just now put oil in here and heat some oil.
Olive oil?
Olive oil's good. Yeah, tablespoon of oil. You want to coat the meat, so you want to get a good coating on, maybe a bit more, But just a little bit more. There you go. Now heat the oil a bit.
Perfect.
Makes it sticker.
Now they say to do it in bits, but I just always do it in one go, and I just keep turning it, and you just brown it all. You've got to keep stirring it.
Oh, look at that, it's already browning.
Yeah, it happens. So you don't have to cook it, you just want to brown it, to sear it. Lewis is learning too.
It's not fully browned yet. Does it have to be completely browned around the edges?
Yeah, just keep going until you... So now you can throw the onion in. It'll, I'll just give it a little bit of
I've taken off the stove.
Yeah.
That's right.
Now just leave all that.
Do I have to stir it?
That's right.
Yeah.
Then 2 cubes.
Yeah.
I had soy and like a...
Look at his face. Hello, Lewis. Welcome to Luke's first cooking show. So what are you doing here, Lukey?
Alright, so let's put 500 mils in this container and now I'm going to put 2 of these stock blocks in there.
What do you feel in your
Put a
heart?
good sprinkle of that in. Sorry, just a good splash of soy.
Like that? A bit more.
Yeah, just a tad more. And
Do you shake it up first?
oh yeah, that one.
How many?
It's yeah, a bit more. Keep going. More. Okay. It's more than it's salty for that.
Look at Luke's face now, he's all happy that he did that.
Chuck it in?
Yep, just pour it in. Then you put your lid on.
Yeah, good. That looks okay.
Yep.
So,
So that has to go there, right like that. Starts there. So, yep.
okay,
And
and
it goes round
then, okay. And now I put it back on the stove?
Yep.
And on what?
You put on
pressure?
full heat.
Maximum?
Yep. So 9, not the
Oh, not the power. Okay.
You'll see it'll start to come up to
The
here.
steam comes out the side first, doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
And then when it
Then you'll hear
locks?
it. You'll hear it.
yeah.
And then this will start to come up. That's when you start turning it down. I normally go down to about 7 as it comes up a little bit.
How long does that take?
That takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and then once it reaches temperature, you can
then
do
it's
a
ready.
timer for 20 minutes, and then down to about 4.
Okay.
Then you take it off the heat. You just let it go down naturally. It just keeps cooking. Or just
Okay, so once you put it
depressurize.
on 9, and then you put it down to 7, and then you put it down to 4, and then you 20 minutes stuff.
Yeah.
Then you take it off the stove for the whole 20 minutes.
No. You leave it on for the 20 minutes,
Yeah.
and then when it's finished the 20 minutes,
Yeah.
you take it off the stove.
Yeah.
But it'll be still high pressure. So
Oh, and then you have to wait until that goes
wait
down
till the
to
little thing
open up.
goes down.
Okay, yeah, gotcha.
Is there another way to
Quick release?
Yeah. Can you
So
explain
some
that?
recipes you'll find you have to cook it
Mm-hmm.
and then take it off the heat and do a quick release. So you just press that,
Yeah.
but just stand
Just do it
back.
gently like that.
Yeah, because the steam will shoot out here, and then you have to open it, add more ingredients, and
then
bring
put it back on the
Yeah,
pressure.
you'll find
Yeah.
that's how some recipes work. That's another way. You can actually just sit it in the tub and run cold water over it, and that makes it. If you don't want to
Okay.
do the
Yeah.
steam release.
And if you cook something and it's a bit too watery,
Just use less.
maybe just use a tiny bit less.
I think it's that one, 375 mil.
Okay.
With that pressure cooker, you mean?
That's a minimum.
Regardless of what you're
Yeah,
cooking.
You always have to have a minimum 375.
Jenny, do you ever cook pasta or rice in with the vegetables and the meat at all?
I have, yes.
How's that turned out?
That actually absorbs some of the moisture as well when you do rice in there. And I don't put them on top, I put them in the middle, like a layer and then more
Oh,
on
yeah.
top so it gets some of the more of the liquid. If you want to do rice, we do a 3-minute rice. So you just bring it up to pressure. So
Yeah.
1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water, I think it is.
Yeah.
And you just bring it up to pressure for 3 minutes and then turn it off and let it depressurize for 10 and then release the steam if it hasn't finished.
Yeah.
Comes out perfect.
Stove is done. So now I'm going
Why
to take
does
it
it seem so
and then
weird?
I'm gonna move it. Yeah. Now I'm just going to leave it and let it go down by itself.
What's going on, Luke?
Alright, so I think it's been about another 10 minutes since taking it off the stove, and I think it should be ready now. As you
Okay.
can see here, that little thing has gone down.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty flat, so I think
It is.
we're alright with it.
Oh,
So you can leave it a little bit longer if you wish, or you can keep on doing what you're doing.
Let's have a look, eh?
Just it'll have liquid on there, so just tilt it. That. Oh, look at. Oh, hang on, my lens has gone all fogged up. Look at that! Woo!
Smell the Brussels sprout.
You'll smell them later too.
All right, so it's a matter of dishing up. Have some crusty bread. Very nice.
Bloody tender.
Fantastic.
There might be too many potatoes.
There you have it. So, guys, I hope you get many, many years of wonderful use out of the pressure cooker that we bought you here in Belgium in 2023.
Yeah, there is too much.
Steve Nahusen and the gang signing off.